Shock drop! I have a challenge for you guys. If you guys can get this video up to an easy 300 likes in the first 24 hours, I'm gonna give away another pair of Lost and Founds in January. So please, make sure you guys smash that like button and do not forget to join the More family and hit that subscribe button. You still have a chance to get a pair of Lost and Found Air Jordan 1s. All you guys need to do is like this video, smash that subscribe button, leave a comment, let me know your size in the Lost and Founds. Follow me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369. Follow Saucy Souls on Instagram. His link is down below in the description. And then DM me proof, DannyMoore2369. Send me proof that you guys did everything. Good luck. This giveaway ends in just a few days. New Year's, we'll be picking the winner for the Lost and Founds. So make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in. Good luck, and please make sure you guys smash that subscribe button for free sneaker giveaways. I love giving back to you guys. You guys mean the world to me, and I want to show you guys that I love you, and I appreciate you guys so much for watching. So please, make sure you guys enter my free sneaker giveaways. We had a shock drop for a fire pair of sneakers out of nowhere last week, and I copped, I hit. But first, I need to tell you guys about Sole Premise, the best sneaker bags in the game. As you guys can see, this sneaker bag holds 5 to 6 pairs of sneakers, and Sole Premise's bags, all of their bags, are made and designed to store sneakers safely when you're traveling. You also have room for your clothes, your chargers, and a bunch more. There's even front compartments on their bags as well. Be sure to click my link down below in the description. Check out SolePremise.com and use my promo code DannyMoore for 40% off your entire order. Sole Premise has very high quality bags. The leather bags are amazing quality. You guys are gonna love their sneaker bags. Be sure you check them out with my link down below. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring this video. Now let's get into this fire shock drop video. Shock drop out of nowhere last week on the Nike Sneakers app in the middle of the afternoon for this pair of Air Jordan 4s. They dropped at like 2 something in the afternoon, I believe it was, out of nowhere, men's and grade school sizes. Well, I'm saying out of nowhere, but in reality, I knew about it because of Twitter. Sneaker Twitter is strong. You guys have to follow the right accounts in order to be notified when these things happen. Follow Sneaker Twitter. J23 app is a must. Solinks. There's a bunch of good accounts out there. Make sure you guys get on Twitter and follow these notifications. You need them on for shock drop notifications just like this. Shock drop out of nowhere. I did unfortunately take an L on men's, but I got a grade school pair. Hey, I'll take it. This is a good pair of Jordan 4s. A very good sneaker. One of the best Jordan 4s to release this year. These had some hype and demand to them. Of course, sold out. Prices are remaining where they're at in that low to mid like 280 range, but I think it will go up in men's. They definitely will go up. And grade school, low 200s. You know what that means? Means they're going to go up to like 280 to 300 if you ask me. Prices will go up on these Air Jordan 4s. And I hit on a shock drop. I'm happy. A nice W. Hey, taking a W on the sneakers app nowadays, no matter almost what it is, you know, a blessing. Because bots eat up pairs. You know, the sneakers app is not what it used to be. It was never great to begin with to cop sneakers, but it's gotten worse as time has gone on. Right here, I hit. I couldn't be happier. Here we go. Right here, the Air Jordan 4 Midnight Navy. Very similar to, of course, the White Cement 4s. These look so similar to the White Cement 4s. On feet from far away, you might even think these are the White Cement 4s. It's just the navy, where the black used to be, it's just navy. There's the only real difference. You do have a Jumpman on the back with the navy as well. Navy on the tongue with the Jumpman. Navy on the inside of the tongue on the back there. Very, very nice sneaker. Very wearable, very clean. Quality is nice with the tumbled leather, even here on grade school pairs. So hey, shock drop out of nowhere on the Nike Sneakers app. I'll take it. I'll take it. Nice retail W. Can't go wrong with a retail W. Stay tuned. I will be doing another video talking about the Midnight Navy Jordan 4s and what the hell is going on with these prices, because in my opinion, they're a little low. I think there's room for improvement on this sneaker. It's clean, it's wearable, it's a good colorway. One of the best Jordan 4s, if you ask me, to release this year, as far as availability-wise, and, you know, bringing back that old concept and just reimagining it, or whatever you want to call it, because, you know, it is the white cement 4, but they just put a new twist on the color and made it navy instead of black. Can't go wrong. One of the good Jordan 4s this year. There's been a good amount of Jordan 4s this year. Not enough, if you ask me, but I think this is definitely up there as one of the best. Cop them while you can, before it's too late. It's a good pair of Air Jordan 4s. And hey, make sure you guys have notifications on Twitter for shock drops. Shock drop out of nowhere on the Midnight Navy Air Jordan 4 last week, and I hit. I am happy. Hey, it's a shock drop. Be happy when you hit. But especially on shock drops, I think shock drops are sometimes harder to hit than the initial release, because shock drops tend to have less stock than the initial release, and less people know about those shock drops than the initial release. It's a nice W. I'll take it. Let me know your thoughts on this beautiful pair of Air Jordan 4s down below in the comments. Are these the Midnight Navy Jordan 4s one of the best Jordan 4s to release in 2022? Let me know your thoughts down below. Please make sure you guys smash that like button for me, and make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of Lost and Founds. Like this video, smash that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, DannyMoore2369, follow Saucy Souls, his link is down below in the description, and then DM me proof, DannyMoore2369, send me proof that you guys did everything. Good luck, guys. I'll be picking the winner New Year's. Few more days. Make sure you guys get your giveaway entries in for a free pair of Lost and Founds. And let me know your thoughts on the Midnight Navy Air Jordan 4. And make sure you guys stay tuned. I think I'm going to drop another video today because, where are they? I don't know if you guys can see them. Here they are. Boom. We got them. We got to talk about these, so make sure you guys stay tuned to the channel. Make sure you guys subscribe. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. The Air Jordan 4 Midnight Navy is fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.